Are you interested in applying to be a pro trader so you can monetize Cryptohopper? It's actually really easy. In this video, you will learn about what it means to be a pro trader, how to apply as a marketplace seller, the difference between a signaler and a marketplace seller. Being a pro trader means that you have earned your stripes as a Cryptohopper customer, and you have proven that you know the platform inside and out. Our marketplace admin has a few criteria depending on your user level. Master user. If you are a master user, then you are automatically accepted. Expert user. If you are an expert user and you have a good trading history, you will get accepted right away. If your trading history is so-so or it's too short to analyze, then you will receive an email request for more data. We'll also review how fast you respond to see if you're an active trader. Any other experience level. If you're at another experience level, you must be able to show that you are already an established signaler. For example, you could have a large following somewhere else, like Telegram or Twitter, or maybe you're already selling on our competitor's marketplace. Also important to note is that applications are usually looked at once per week, and that's usually done on a Thursday. You can apply as a signaler through cryptohopper.com/apply-as-signaler. And as a marketplace seller through cryptohopper.com/marketplace/become-a-marketplace-seller. What's the difference between signalers and marketplace sellers? The main difference is that marketplace sellers are limited to strategies and templates, while a signaler is limited to selling signals only. Once you're accepted, make sure that you read our documentation on how to style your signals, which API endpoints to use, and how to work with our signal code. It's that easy. Now you know what it means to be a pro trader with Cryptohopper, how to apply as a marketplace seller, and the difference between a signaler and a marketplace seller.